This reading is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising. This is your energy update, May 1 to 15, 2026. Okay, so this is a general reading. Pwede ito makarelate sa inyo, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book for a reading directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Cancer. What is the energy for you? First half ng May. Detox. You are releasing nega energies, releasing stress. Maaring ikaw ay mas may time para sa sarili mo. Relaxation, rejuvenation. Yan, renew. Relax, rejuvenate, renew. Okay, let's see what else. Or maaring may mga iiwasan ka mga taong alam mo toxic sa buhay mo. Iwasan mo na sila. You also have nurture. Oh, makes sense kasi it's time to nurture and take care of yourself. Okay? So, self-care, self-love. Kumbaga, ito yung time na mas magbibigay ka ng focus at attention sa sarili mo. Instead na yung iba yung inaalagaan mo, this time, yung sarili mo naman. Ayan, ang iisipin mo, aalagaan mo. Okay. Let's see, ano pa. For Cancer, what is your overall energy? First half ng May. Temperance. Meron kayong inaayos, meron kayong mga inaayos na trabaho, business, or even projects ninyo. Temperance is also about patience, no? So, pagiging patient sa mga bagay na kailangang meron pagdaan ng proseso. Diba, may inaayos kang requirements or may inaayos kang proyekto. So, may mga times talaga na kailangan ng patience, dedication. This is also about alchemy. So, maaaring may ina-alchemize ka, ini-improve, inaayos sa sarili mo, sistema na inaayos mo. This is also balancing, bringing balance into your life. So, I think part na rin ng detoxification mo is yung alchemizing. Alchemy kasi sabihin ko biglang alchemizing. And nurturing and taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs. Now, your challenge is the Ten of Cups. Some of you maaaring magkaroon ng challenging situation sa family, sa home life. Pwedeng may mga kailangan kayong asikasuhin, bigyan ng atensyon, ng pansin sa family. Can be family members, mother, father, sister, mga anak, ganyan. This can also be balancing your emotions. Kasi minsan, overwhelming yung emotions ninyo na kapag sa tingin nyo, things are becoming a bit stressful sa life mo, then mas maganda na ikaw ay dumistansya muna sa stress ng buhay. Okay. Let's see yung iyong, what is the opportunity for Cancer? Opportunity. First half ng May. You have the Eight of Swords. So as an opportunity, this is you letting go of your fears. Yung iba sa inyo may mga hesitation sa mga bagay na gusto nyong gawin, subukan, simulan. Self-limiting beliefs kasi to eh. So, nasa opportunity mo siya. So, ibig sabihin nun, maaaring magkakaroon ka na ng clarity sa situation mo, mas makakapili ka na ng best possible decision, at iwasan mo ng makinig sa ibang tao na alam mong wala naman talagang ambag sa buhay mo or hindi alam kung ano ang totoong nangyayari sa'yo. Kasi minsan, meron tayong people-pleasing energy na okay, iti-take mo yung advice ng tao na yon dahil iniiwasan mo sumama yung loob niya, but you will take accountability sa mga decision mo. Okay? Let's see your Blessing. What is the blessing? What is the blessing for Cancerians? What is the blessing? Five of Wands. Five of Wands is about being competitive and also breaking free from the norm. So, expansion din to for some of you, no? Kasi blessing siya. So, maaring you are expanding your horizon. You are breaking free from this limitation na meron ka. So, I think you are now free. Mas malaya na magawa yung gusto mo. Okay? Kumbaga you want to stand out. Ngayon meron kang direction when it comes to ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve for yourself. Yung mga goals mo. Okay, money, career, finances. Money, career, finances for Cancerians. First half ng May. You have the Four of Swords. So this is you na you are merong anong tawag na to, parang nakakabangon ka na, no? You are hindi ko makuha yung word na yon. Basta parang yun nga, nakakabangon ka na sa challenges, pagsubok sa finances mo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nagkaroon ng disappointment sa isang tao na pinagkatiwalaan ninyo, or maaring kayo mismo nagkaroon kayo ng bad decisions sa trabaho, sa pera, sa business ninyo. Ayun, recovery. You are now recovering from that, okay? Because the Four of Swords is about healing. And then your love life. Okay, ano yung energy ng love life ng mga Cancerian? You have the High Priestess. Ito'y pananahimik, pag-observe. So if you are connecting with someone right now, I think mas mag-observe ka sa situation ninyo kung talaga bang merong patutunguhan, okay? This is also about wisdom. So some of you, you are maturing. Nagmamature ka pagdating sa pag-handle ng relationship. Pinag-iisipan mo muna ang mga sasabihin mo, mga gagawin mo, ang mga decision mo, okay? But if you are single, pwedeng merong secret admirer or meron kang person na magugustuhan na mag-observe ka muna kung saan papunta yon. Pwedeng hindi ka muna magiging open sa feelings mo towards this person. Okay, let's see what else. Meron pa pala rito. Okay. Uy! New beginnings! This is nice, Cancer. So for some of you, merong bago sa buhay nyo. Bagong trabaho, bagong career, bagong estado sa buhay, bagong member ng family, bagong project. Okay. Let's see what else. Oh, this is movement. Sabi rito, a long walk is good for the soul. Get outside and allow Mother Nature to lift your spirits. Yes, so you will spend more time with nature. I think part din yan ng detoxification and nurturing mo para sa sarili mo, di ba? Ayan. So you will go out, spend more time with nature, lakad-lakad to ground yourself. That's your way of detoxification. So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.